Hey guys, what's up? It's your girls Twin Goddesses and I'm Alicia, and I am back with another affordable unit. A lot of you guys have been asking to see more units that are affordable and longer than 18 inches. So I have this one. It is longer than 18 inches and it's under $100, so be sure to check this one out. This comes from one of my favorite vendors from Amazon, JessicaHair. I'll link all their information down below for you guys. This is their deep curly 18-inch 4x4 lace frontal unit. So as you guys can see, this is how my hair came. I'm gonna show you guys what I do to get those curls popping. This unit does go temple to temple and 4 inches back, and it is a glueless, so you guys don't have to adhere it down if you choose not to. But what I'm gonna do right here is what I do to all of my units. Of course, this is completely optional. You can use liquid foundation if you choose to, but I'm gonna take my BW2 powder and my 30 volume developer, and I'm gonna bleach those knots. So I'm going to create a frosting like consistency. So you guys want to be very gentle right here and use a light hand and apply the bleach on the inside of the lace and allow it to develop for about 20 to 30 minutes. So after about 20 minutes for me, I'm going to use cold water to get that bleach off, and I like to use my silicone mix shampoo to wash the hair. As you guys can see, with this particular unit, it did have some leftover dye, so you definitely want to get that hair clean before you wear it. And I'm also going to use my Shimmering Lights purple shampoo to get those knots to look nice and neutral and take that brassiness away. Let that sit on the lace for 30 minutes and then rinse it out with cold water. As you guys can see, this is how it looks after you allow it to sit on the lace. And one thing about this particular lace that I like is that it's brown skin friendly, so I didn't have to go in and tint the lace or do anything of that nature, which is always a plus. Now I'm going to use my silicone mix hair treatment and my Denman brush and get those curls popping. So this is how my knots look after bleaching them. As you guys can see, it looks pretty good. But now what I'm going to do is go in and thin out that hairline just a little bit. You guys can see it's kind of pre-plucked, but I like to go in just to create brush strokes, just to kind of make it look a little more natural, if that makes any sense. Of course, this is completely optional. If you feel like you don't have to do that, then don't. As you guys can see, that is the amount of hair that I did tweeze. Now I'm going to take my foamy wrap mousse and I'm going to lay those baby hairs. So for this style, I am opting for more of a voluminous look. So what you're going to do is take one of your favorite leave-in conditioners. I'm using my Mizani Miracle Leave-In and my Denman brush, and I'm just going to further get those curls to clump. And I'm going to allow the hair to dry laying down. Doing this actually creates more volume. If you want the top of your hair, like the root area, to be nice and curly, allow the hair to dry upside down. And if you want your hair to look more wavy and long, allow it to dry on a mannequin head. All right, you guys. But anyways, that is that 4x4 amount of lace. I actually like this because it's not a whole lot of lace you have to cut off. You don't have to worry about the ear tabs or anything. I take my eyebrow razor and I just cut it off. It's super simple, guys, and it kind of gives you that imperfect look, so that's why I kind of prefer the eyebrow razor. But this is how that hair looks once it's like completely dry and completely ready to wear. trust me guys, I'm going to work it out. It's not finished yet, okay? So you guys do know I do not adhere my units down. You can use a wig grip or you can adhere it down at this point, but I'm just going to go ahead and put it on my head. And one thing I kind of wanted to do is put a part in the unit, okay? I wanted you guys to see what that 4x4 parting space looks like, especially as a side part. So what I'm doing is I'm just creating like a curve C, okay? And you can really see that long part, so don't think that you are, you know, restricted or anything. You can still get a really good part with this unit. All right, so I'm going to take some of my concealer as well as my foundation powder just to get that lace to really blend into my hair. And taking my Extreme Wet Line Gel, I'm just going to, you know, add a whole bunch of baby hairs because that's what I do, okay? But anyways, of course, if that's not your thing, leave that out. For those of you guys who are wondering if this hair is thin, the density on this unit is, I want to say 150, but this hair feels so much fuller once you manipulate it, okay? When you pull this hair out the box, you're gonna be like, but once you actually go in and just play with it, it gets so big, guys. This is why I love that hair, okay? Look at the curls, all right? So depending how you allow your hair to dry, your curls may look much more different than mine, okay? So again, if you want more volume, allow it to dry laying down. If you want it to be like more curly in the root area, upside down. And if you want it to look more wavy and long, let it dry on a mannequin head, alrighty? But guys, this is my finished look. Let me know what you guys think. Again, this comes from Amazon. This unit is under $100 from one of my favorite vendors, JessicaHair. Guys, let me know how you like this unit, if you're going to check it out or not, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys.